packing box, multimeter, manual, watch pen, temperature line, complete accessories. Battery installation. Remove the back battery compartment cover and put in 2 AAA batteries. Insulated silicone shell, drop and dust proof, protect hardware from damage. Long press power to turn on the screen backlight to support data retention mode. Flashlight lighting, not afraid of dark environments. One-click function switching. DC current. Serial lines as shown in the video. The current in the operation of the light strip can be measured. AC current. Serial lines as shown in the video can measure the current at work. NCV induction. Switch to the corresponding gear, and a beep will sound when the voltage is sensed. Zero fire wire recognition. The beeping sound is the fire line, and the silent sound is the zero line. DC voltage. Automatically identify the voltage gear, and the pen can correspond to both ends of the battery. AC voltage. Automatic identification of voltage gears. The commonly used household AC voltage is around 220 volts. Resistance. Automatically identify the resistance gear, and the pen can contact both ends of the resistance. Buzzer. Automatically identify the buzzer gear, test on and off, and issue a beep to indicate normal patency. Diodes. Switch to the corresponding gear and touch both ends of the diode. Capacitance. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the watch pen can contact both ends of the capacitor. Temperature. Connect the temperature wire, switch to the corresponding gear and contact the measured object with the thermocouple.